Good morning, all. Camelback Trading 2724 coming to you this Monday morning, January 13th. And I know I tell you to check your bias at the door, but there is one big bias I have this morning. So I'm going to have to get it off my chest, and that is Clemson 37, LSU 34. All right, let's get to it. It's really important today. And we really should check your bias at the door. So we're looking at the last 3 days of the market profile of the SPY ETF. And as you can see, we're trading in value, in balance. That's your worst risk reward on a trade. Now, a couple things we have to remember. Number one, we went out with both a price probe and a price spike and had a trend day down on Friday. Now, right now, with just over an hour to go prior to the opening, those are being rejected. Probes being rejected. We're looking to open above the spike and fill the single prints. And not coincidentally, because there are no coincidences in anything, we're trading right at the afternoon rally high from Friday. So let's go over destinations and a roadmap for this morning. So, on the upside, since there's still just over an hour to go, we're still going to use L's low, which was the price probe of 325.74. Then we have the single prints. There are only two ticks. They start at 325.91, get filled at 93. Then the afternoon rally high of 326.89. Friday's weekly high, an all-time high of 327.46, and then 327.74, which is our pre-market all-time high from January 10th. For the downside, we don't have anything until Friday's low, until we get more market-generated information of 325.20. Then there's that vacuum I've talked about. Right now, the next destination, other than your pre-market low, which right now is 326.25, okay, is, and again, that's higher, obviously, than Friday's low. We don't have anything to 322.67. So over $2.50. It's a pretty big void, pretty big vacuum if you're ever to get selling below there. Then you have 322.64 afternoon pullback low, 322.24 daily low, 322.14 afternoon pullback low from the 6th. The trend day that's held for the first time since late October, 321.88, gets filled at 75 cents. And then the all-important weekly low and bottom of our balance of 320.36. So game plan and roadmap for this morning. Well, like I said, in balance and value, you don't have the best risk reward. However, until buyers prove they can get over this little ledge, your afternoon rally high, which I'm going to encompass all three of them, E, H, and I's highs, nothing's really changed. So, again, it's just over now. A lot could happen. But if we're to open in this range, you can take a put position. But acceptance over there, and I'm out. Now, acceptance doesn't just mean getting above them, but acceptance would mean getting above them and driving with volume not tapering off. Acceptance would mean if we're back and forth through in A period and in B period, we start one time framing up, I'd be out of it. That's acceptance to me. If you don't get accepted above there, again, until there's more market-generated information, you really don't have anything, and you can come roll over and test where the price probe started or the price spike. So that's a put play. A call play, if we're to open, push down initially. Now, again, it's going to be in value and balance. Hold, not get accepted. And again, same thing with acceptance is like I just said up here. Not get accepted below where the price probe and price spike started. And then you can take a call play. You know you're out. If you get below L's low, I'd probably get out. I wouldn't even wait for M's low if you get accepted below it. Because then odds are you'd probably rotate back to where the afternoon rally high was. Now, both those trades are low risk. Higher risk, less reward because you're right in balance value. I'd rather be a buyer above value, a seller below value. Or you can just wait for the initial balance to form. So that's the game plan for this morning early. Chart-wise, I'll just show you the weekly and the daily. So we are in I have the weekly balanced to up because we closed above the previous 2 weeks highs, but we are still basically in a balance. And it's the balance is basically the last week's range. This is the important ledge I'm talking about. We're above it pretty good right now, but it's something to definitely keep an eye on. We still have a gap in the weekly below, don't forget. We have gaps in all 3 time frames. And then here's the daily, where we almost had an outside day down after an all-time high, but we didn't. So you're in balance for 2 days. So again, pretty basic to me. If you get accepted above the afternoon rally high, you should go for the all-time highs. If you don't get accepted above the all-time highs, then there's a good chance you're going to at least test where the price probe was, if not Friday's low. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.